Guys, today we are discussing with the topic private and public company. Company can be broadly divided into public and private company. That one is the public company. Public company deals in section 2 clause 71 of Companies Act 2030, and oppositely the private company is dealing with section 2 clause 68 of Companies Act 1930. Company other than a private company can be included in the public company. That is, publicly owned and operated companies are public companies, and private company means a company which is owned and operated by a private persons or private individuals. The minimum requirement is 5 lakhs in public company or such or higher above. In private company, it is 1 lakh or such higher prescribed by the articles. In public company, there requires a 7 members. Minimum requirement is 7 members. And maximum there is no limitation. That is, unlimited members can be included in the public company. In a private company, it is 2 members. That is, the minimum requirement is the 2 members. Maximum is 200. It is limited for 200. And after when the company came into exist, that is discussed by after receiving certificate of incorporation and the certificate of commencement, the company came to exist or can be said as company formed. In that is in the case of public company. In private company, after receiving the certificate of incorporation, we can say that the company came to exist. In public company, generally invite public persons or other invites person to buy up the shares and debentures or subscribe the shares and debentures. In private company case, there is no invitation for other person for subscribing shares and debentures. Next is that shares are freely transferable. In case of public company, the shares can be freely transferable. In case of private company, can't transfer freely. The requirement is 149. Section 149 says that the directors, about the board of directors, there must be 3 directors in public company. There must be 2 directors in the private company. The issuing of prospectus is compulsory for the public company and it's not compulsory in case of private company. Limited for the name, after the name of the company, it added limited as suffix. In case of private company, it added after the name private limited as suffix. These are the main important differentiation between private and public company.